Hello YouTube. So I just replaced my radiator. Got it from an '06. I got an '03, and this is what I want to show you guys. So I'm currently burping the system. Been running for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. A little bubbly. I had some good ones. Heater is on. Trying to cycle the system. Hasn't dropped yet. Ooh, that's a good one. So yeah, Gatorade bottle, conduit tube, and a plastic 1/2 inch. I just pretty much MacGyvered it, and electrical tape. It's working. It's not leaking or anything like that. Just don't touch it because the rubber is hot. Everything is hot pretty much. As soon as you touch it, the seal goes away. So just let it be until you're done. And yeah, thought I just want to share you guys that. It's a little dirty though, eh? Huh. Alright guys, comment if you guys want to. But yeah, it's all about recycling. Ha!